My name is William Snyder and I live here in Kendall, Florida. It was excellent. From the installation, from the gentleman who came and showed us the windows to the final product, it's just been great. Amazing. They came in, they were able to do everything in one day. They were polite. They cleaned up after themselves. They, from start to finish, they informed us of what they were doing and how they were doing it. They showed us all the paperwork, showed us what we needed to do for inspections and what we needed to wait for. And when the inspection was done, they came back and finished the job, and it was perfect. They are amazing. In reduction of cost of the air conditioning, the noise cost, sound has been a lot quieter. The home has been looks nicer. The windows are amazing. You can actually open the windows now, and it's just been great.